Happy Halloween, everyone. My name is Nathaniel from Mapline, and today we're going to go through the updates for October. Let's do it. First up, we have action columns. If you have a dataset open like this, up at the top there's an add control button. Here it is, action columns, in addition to file and form columns. An action column lets me submit an email, create a new row, update an existing value in a dataset, or delete a row. And it can be from this dataset or any dataset, and that happens when I click on the action button right here over on the right. So I've set it up here where if I click this button, it's going to send an email. Now I've set it up so that it sends the email to admin and it has a little message and it's using values from my dataset as variables. That's pretty cool. These action columns are available not only on datasets, but also on views. So here is a dashboard for a tech, and it's only showing that tech's locations, the stores that they need to visit. If I scroll down here, this is a list of all of their stores assigned to them. Well, this view has a file column, a form column, and a send email column, all action columns. That is pretty cool, meaning from my own dashboard as a technician, I can click this button to send an email to this customer. I can click this button to submit a form after visiting that customer. I can click this button to upload or take a picture when I'm at that location, all through my own dashboard. That is amazing. And that's it. If you have any questions or if you want to see any of these in action, don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, we'll see you next month.